Did you know you can build a full website on Canva for free? No coding, no hosting? Here's exactly how to do it in 2025. Go to canva.com, click Create a Design, and search for website. Choose a blank template or start with a ready-made one. Add text, images, buttons, videos, whatever you want. Canva works just like a presentation, so it's super intuitive. Each page is a new slide, and you can link buttons to other pages using the link tool. Once you're done, click Publish as Website in the top right. Choose the free domain option. Canva will give you a link like yourname.my.canva.site. You can share your site instantly or update it anytime. Just make changes and republish. The link stays the same. For personal projects, portfolios, or quick landing pages, Canva is perfect. Want a custom domain? You can connect one later or stick with the free one. Canva sites are hosted on fast servers, so they load quickly, even on mobile. That's how to make a website in Canva for free. Like and follow for more no-code tools that save you time.